Way Lego, get moving now.
Push him up, come on, come on.
All right, now keep moving through. Head them up this way.
Healthy eyes and good body condition. Administering the vaccine now, logging the details on the tablet.
550, got it.
All right, bring the big one up next.
620, and the last one, 580.
Keep it moving. Watch the gate, Tom. Right, all clear up here. All right, back it up slowly now. Watch your clearance on the left. Trim this section here, mind the brand mark, otherwise it grades out as premium.
Lymph nodes appear clear, brainstem inspection complete, recording as approved for processing.
Check 42B, minor contamination on the hindquarter.
Acknowledged. Divert for rewash.
We need 3 more briskets for order 72.
Got it, pulling them now.
Case 18 is full, sending it down.
컨테이너 온도는 영하 18도 정상입니다. 다음 팔레트 진행하세요.
Control Tower, this is Dock Supervisor. All bays running at capacity. The Brisbane shipment is loaded and sealed.
Check the telemetry on the Darwin shipment. We have a temperature spike.
Reroute to the depot in Alice Springs for inspection.
This wagyu has a marble score of 9. We can do 55 a kilo if you take the whole loin.
We just got this Australian shipment in this morning. Make sure it's front and center. Everything checks out. Make sure these go straight into the main cooler, lower shelf.
All right, girls, straight through to the fresh green. Let's go. Yep, she's definitely in calf.
Okay, marking her now and printing the record.
5 cc's, lot number 74J.
Noted. Next one, please.
All right, lock him in. Brand's good. Open the gate.
Keep the lead clear. Push the stragglers up. Gate closing now. Gate 3, lighter weights coming through now. Keep them moving. All right, shutting this gate now. Send the next mob up. All the mobs are counter door on the north paddock. Right here. Looks good.